My name is Monica Peters with MoniGarr.com. Today is March 17th, 2016, and this is a quick demo of our Onkwehonwehneha AI chatbot. It is an AI knowledge base that has endangered language translations in it, and we make it like so you can see, kind of get an idea of how it works. We're also adding the audio back in. This is actually pretty old work that I developed. I started developing this in the early 1990s, but we're bringing it back to public access with a subscription service. So each person that subscribes to this, if it's one individual or a couple, they can reuse exactly like this, on any web browser, Slack channels as a Slack bot. They can use it in their car. They can use it on a mobile device. They can use this anywhere. And obviously on a mobile device, you do have, they always have the microphone, so you can actually talk back and forth. And for corporations or large companies, they can subscribe, and we will actually let them have their own custom iOS or custom Android app for their customers to use. And the reason why a big company would do that is, for positive public relations. Maybe a school wants to provide all their students with access to translations. And we also customize the knowledge base so that these translations will be specific to their endangered language dialect, and also customized with topics and translations that are most relevant to that company or school. And I'm just going to keep giving a little bit of a demo of how it works. And all of these responses, the software engineers, we are making this so that people can talk with it anonymously. So we will not be gathering any information about the end users who talk with us. However, we will be able to see what is said. And the reason for that, it helps us to build a more knowledgeable knowledge base that is customized specifically for a target market. Because as a lot of us know, like say the Northeast United States, people often will speak a certain way that is different than say people in South America. So, or even different from people in the Southwest United States. So it's a great way for our software engineers to be able to customize this to provide a really great end user experience based on the people, the end users that are using it. So this AI knowledge base, it has a ton. I think I have about 80,000 patterns that it matches in just one knowledge base. I have about 40 different knowledge bases that I've been developing for since the early 1990s. And I work with fluent speakers from many different endangered languages. I've been building some relationships with different communities that are facing endangered language issues. And this concludes my 1-minute video review of MoniGarr.com, Onkwehonwehneha AI, Endangered Language Revival Software Solutions.